Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Today I want to introduce our favorite laser cleaning machine, a smart and safe way to clean metal surface. This machine uses laser light to remove dust, point away dirt and oxidation from metal without any chemicals or water. It's environment-friendly, non-contact and very easy to use. You just hold the laser gun, point to the surface and press the button. The rust disappears in seconds. The metal surface becomes clean and shiny again with no damage to the base material. Our machine can clean steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and many other materials. It's perfect for mind cleaning, car parts, ship repair tools, and industrial maintenance. It has a touchscreen system, autofocus, and stable laser source to make the work simple and safe. Compared with chemical cleaning, laser cleaning saves time, cost, and labor, and makes your workshop cleaner and smarter. In short, our laser cleaning machine is fast, clean, and easy to use. It helps your business move to a new level of technology. Thank you.